Good afternoon, everyone. So we're going to discuss about this Windows installation of Windows 8.1. So in 8.1, so we just use the default settings in the Windows. So just go with the flow. So in here, as we can see that it's loading. So we're just gonna wait for this, So just normal setup, and that's it. And so just setting up the designated product key, and accept the term and license. So we just partition the disk. So after that, so we're just gonna wait this for the moment. We're just gonna wait for this to loading. So getting the device ready for hanggang 100%. So that's it. So ang installation ng Windows 8.1 is it's not really complicated because it does not require some serious skills in encoding. So just gonna wait for the booting up, and that's how you just install the 8.1. It doesn't require so much space. Also, it doesn't require so much RAM, and basically it just updated version of Windows 7. That's the you can see it. So 8.1 is a really nice Windows ISO. So it is very fast booting and very fast installation. So we are gonna set our install you set our account. So after setting our account is just off this and because so we're just not gonna log in our Microsoft account. So next, so it really requires, so just gonna do that, and so skip your account username. So we're just setting up our user account, so just do it with your own. So that's it. So that's how you do the installation in Windows 8.1. So thank you very much for your patience, and thank you very much for your watching this video, and I hope you really hope that you learned something from me, and thank you. So just gonna log out then, and see you soon. Thank you so much.